Thank you very much to Rolf Frech, our board member for R&D, for revealing this outstanding concept car to us this morning. Rolf, tell us more about it.
Yeah, thank you, Wolfgang. Ladies and gentlemen, with this study, we are demonstrating how an all-electric Bentley will maintain the brand's strong DNA: luxury, performance, and refinement. This will be combined with the latest technology available. So what does that mean for our future luxury customers? Well, they will get everything they expect and much more. Effortless acceleration from the power and the torque of the electric motor. Absolute refinement in all areas. A grand touring range that will allow them to drive from here in Geneva down to the Côte d'Azur on a single charge, and a rapid inductive charging system for ultimate convenience. The styling cues are a clear indication of our future design direction. Modern, sharp, and precise, with typical Bentley lines and curves. Our design team, led by Stefan Silaf, is truly defining contemporary British luxury. This design language, showcased with the EXP12 Speed 6e, is clearly influenced by the car's electric character. From the handcrafted copper elements in the Bentley grille, the lower inlets, and the digital cameras that replace the wing mirrors. The interior styling and technology follows the same approach. The center console is made from glass with a high-definition OLED screen. All of the car's onboard controls are accessible from here. And an intelligent infotainment system with connected car apps is the central brain. We call it the virtual butler to access many real-world services. The new look steering wheel gives access to media communication and navigation controls, as well as a special button for extra performance boost and another to activate a speed limiter. Ladies and gentlemen, the EXP12 Speed 6e showcases our vision and ambition for a truly luxurious electric Bentley future. Now back to you, Wolfgang.
Thank you very much, Rolf. Ladies and gentlemen, this concept will help us to discuss ideas and gather feedback from our customers and decision makers of the future, such as millennials, members of the Generation Z, and the rising affluent in developing economies, to better understand what they expect from an electric car and help us to shape the future luxury mobility strategy. We will take electric motoring into new areas of luxury, comfort, and refinement, as only Bentley can. I thank you for your attention, and I now would like to invite you onto our stand to take a closer look. Thank you very much.